Okay. The map. Oh, okay. I haven't even plugged my phone. Friend and I were going hiking, so I'm on my way to go pick her up, and then we'll start heading there. So excited! Ooh! I've been procrastinating this, and literally this morning I was just about to say, okay, no, I'm not going. But she then texted me that, oh, she's ready. I'm like, oh, shoot. Now I have to go because she wants to go. But I'm really excited. I mean, you can't say you're in Seattle and that you've never hiked before. Like, that's like hallmark of all activities. If there's anything you should do, it should definitely be for you to hike. I just arrived at her place and I just texted her, so she said she's on her way. So let me just put the address of where we're going to. We're going to Rattlesnake Ledge. Ooh! When I first heard it, I was like, what? You're sending me to where rattlesnakes are? But they said there are no rattlesnakes. A little bit weirded out that they would name a place Rattlesnake when there are no rattlesnake. Anyway, I'm going to be very careful. I was thinking I was going to go get like a boot, so just in case. But I don't want to spend any extra money because I've already spent a lot of money on food. So I don't want to spend any extra money. You get me? But I'm so excited. By the way, if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, welcome or welcome back. My name is Maryann Okonkwo. On this channel, I make videos about productivity, lifestyle, and building a career and just living my best life, honey. If that's something that you're interested in, then definitely consider joining the family by subscribing. If you've subscribed or recently joined my family, welcome to the family. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you become an active member of the family by commenting, liking, and sharing. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a day in my life. We're going hiking. So I just a friend of mine at her hotel. So from there, we'll be going to Rattlesnake Ledge in Seattle. I've been hearing a lot about this place. And what's your whole trip to Seattle if you don't go hiking? Like, hiking is like a hallmark of Seattle. You can't say it's just like when you say you go to Orlando, right? You go to Orlando and you say you don't go to Disney World. Like, how does that even work? You know, that's the same thing with Seattle. Like, you come to Seattle, one thing that you should definitely do is go hiking. They have a lot of trees, and I've just been really thinking about, do I want to move to Seattle or do I want to just work remotely? You know, I don't know yet. We'll think about it. But yeah, please subscribe, join the family if you haven't already subscribed. I'm glad you guys liked my August monthly reset, and thank you so much for all the positivity. You guys are the sweetest. Yeah, I hope I'm not blocking anyone though. Yeah, so he too is, I'm a bad guy. Dun, 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 dun. Ah, she's here. Hi. Good morning. Hi, welcome. I was like, oh, we're going hiking. I should definitely bring my camera along. We're gonna take nice pictures. I also brought my other lens, my 50mm. It takes really great pictures.
I'm excited.
Me too. How are you? Yeah, mine is August 9. My first final presentation is August 9. And then my final presentation with Emily is August 23rd, I believe.
If all days, brown eyes, roots in my apartment, and we grew, passed by, plans were always falling. I know you need out sometimes, head on the glass by traffic lights. Thoughts never felt so blind, so we take off in amazing night. Driving circles, growing sick of the weather. Heather gray, fell asleep in my sweatshirt. I'll leave the world and make a new one together.
So we're finally here at Rattlesnake Ledge, and it is beautiful. We haven't even gone far, but yeah, Kamina is loving it.
I'm excited.
Really excited. It's so peaceful. It smells greenery. I was just telling her that it just reminds me of my village. It feels really, really good to be here. I will be showing you guys as we move along, but stay tuned.
Hallways, burnt skies, ride with clouds we're lost in. And we drew this life back when we were falling. I know you need out sometimes, head on the glass by traffic lights. Thoughts never felt so blind, so we take off in amazing night. Driving circles.
Hey guys, so finally gave up because I've been working since like 9 and it is currently 11:52. So for 3 hours I've been working. I'm so tired. And each time I ask somebody, they say, oh, it's 45 more minutes, 45 more minutes. And then I go 45 more minutes and they're still saying it's 45 more minutes. That means the journey is never ending. So I don't know, I'm tired. So I'm going to be going back down. I left my friend to go because she really wanted to see the top, wanted to get to the top. So this is what my view right now. I like this view. It's nice. It's not bad. As I cannot make it to the top. I think my husband is really going to appreciate this kind of stuff because he loves working, but I don't. So it just feels really strange because I've never filmed in a place that has like so much greenery like this. But trying to gather some more energy before I start heading downward.
Always bird skies, ride with clouds we're lost in.
So I wanted to very quickly come in and just chat with you guys very briefly because I'm in the nature and as you can see it's very peaceful and just very serene. I just hit 400 subscribers on my YouTube channel and today is July 30th. Guys, it's just surreal. Thank you so much everybody that subscribed and joined the family. It wouldn't have been possible without you guys, so thank you so much. Welcome to the family. If you subscribed and joined the family very recently, I hope you stay and I hope you enjoy my videos. I'm just feeling so tired because of the climb, but like I told you guys, I didn't go all the way up just because, you know, severally I wanted to give up, but I was like, oh, let me keep going. But with every step I took, it was still even more. So I was like, nope, I'm not going to be able to make it. I know for sure that my husband is going to enjoy this kind of stuff, so I'll bring him when he's back. But for myself, I don't think I can make it, so I'm just heading back and I'm just going to wait for my friend coming here in the car and use that time to maybe do a sit down or a chit chat with you guys.
I don't wanna go home, even if I'm always on my phone. All these people I don't even know, but I got nowhere to go. And you know I'm always fucking broke. It's better than being alone. I don't wanna go nights alone, since you don't want me. You said maybe.
I finally got back to the car and right now it's 1:19. So keep in mind that we came at around 9 a.m. 1:19 and I didn't even climb up to the final top. Right now I'm just waiting for my friend Kamina. I think I'm going to stop by and get food from the Vietnamese restaurant that I normally get food from. And from there, I would head home to my hotel and then she's going to take Uber because I don't think I have the energy to drive. But yeah, it was fun. I feel like I lost a lot of pounds. It was a good one. I'm just so tired. Once I get home, I'm just going to have a very quick shower. Once I shower, I'm going to and then sleep. Whenever I wake up, I have to get some work done because I'm meeting with my manager on Monday and my presentation needs to be 95% done and it is not that right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's essentially a day in my life. But yeah, if you haven't already subscribed by now, girl, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and join the family, okay? I'll see you guys. I just got back home. When I say home, back to the hotel. And I'm so tired and hungry. So I had some leftover salad that I've been eating in bits. It looks like it's about to spoil. This is the rice from yesterday. So I'm just gonna... I just told my manager that. I sent him a picture of the hike because he was the one that recommended it. And I said, looks good though. You know, I wanted to recommend. I said, nice, pretty up there. So many nice places to hike around. I'm like, nope, I'm not hiking anymore. That's the end. That's the last one. Thank you. Don't recommend another one. Like, I wish all my buses could be like... I mean, I've been fortunate enough to have really good buses, but he's just on another level. Let me go shower. I feel like right now I'm just so tired. I'm trying to convince myself, psych myself to go have my bath because I feel like at this point I just want to lie down and sleep just because of how tired I am. So I just had my bath. You guys can see I'm looking a lot more refreshed. I'm going to go ahead and have my lunch, which is on the bed, and watch a movie, and I guess I'll just end the video here. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like this video, join the family by hitting the big red button down below. It's called subscribe. It's free, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you.